Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm so happy you're here with me. Every time we meet, we grow your English vocabulary, word by word, story by story. And today's word, it's formal, powerful, and full of kindness. Today, we're going to learn the word benefactor. So, what does benefactor mean? A benefactor is someone who gives money or help to support a person, group, or cause, often without asking for anything in return. It's a word we often use when talking about charity, education, or art. If someone helps others in a big, generous way, they're a benefactor. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word. Benefactor. A kind benefactor paid for his university education. The school was built thanks to a wealthy benefactor. She became a secret benefactor for several families in need. The artist was supported by a generous benefactor. Every great project needs a passionate benefactor. All right. Now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember benefactor in context. When I was in university, I almost had to drop out because I couldn't pay my fees. One morning, I received an email saying my tuition was covered. I didn't know who did it. The letter only said, "From a benefactor who believes in you." That moment changed everything. I finished my studies, got my degree, and started teaching English. Years later, I had a student who reminded me of myself, smart, but struggling. So I paid for her exam fees as her benefactor. She cried and said, "Why would you do this?" I smiled and said, "Because someone once did it for me." And that's how kindness continues, from one benefactor to the next. So, that's the word benefactor, someone who helps, gives, and believes in others. Try using it in a story, or look around. You might already know a benefactor. See you next time for another powerful word. Take care and keep learning.